Hey guys, my name is Saqib, and in this video we are going to talk about a very big mistake that most of the game developers do while learning game dev. And the name of the mistake is tutorials. Now you're thinking, what? Tutorials? Yes buddy, tutorials. Tutorials can be your best friend as well as your biggest enemy in the journey of learning game dev. When I started to learning game dev, I thought that there are many tutorials available on YouTube. I'll copy them and make a game of my own. And that was one of the biggest mistakes, that I did. And you know what? I've done a lot of mistakes, and one more mistakes that I know. I always created new projects and left them. When I get an error, I just left it. And you know one thing, game development is all about solving errors. Whatever project you're going to work on, you're going to get a lot of errors. Beware of that. And let me tell you, I haven't completed a single project in 5 months. Yes, basically I just wasted my half year doing nothing. So now you guys are thinking that I'm saying don't use tutorials. So how do we learn those things that we don't know how to do it? Okay, I'm not saying that don't watch tutorials. Of course you can watch them as long as you follow these 2 rules, and believe me, these 2 rules are going to help you a lot. Rule number 1, do something different. Don't always copy tutorials, and if you do this, you're going to get in a lot of problem, because at the end you're going to forget everything, and that will create a lot of problem in your journey of learning game development. What I'm saying that always do something different. Like if you're watching a tutorial and that person is doing 1 + 1 = 2, what you have to do, 1 + 5 = 6, then 1 - 5 = -4, because it's coding and it's pretty hard. Do it in some of the different ways and see is your code is working properly or not. Point number 2, try to do the same thing after some time. One of the most common mistakes that new game developers do, they just copy something from the internet and somehow it works, and if that thing works, they just left it over there, which I say is very good. If something is working, don't touch it again. If it's working correctly, don't touch it again. Okay, what I'm saying is try to do after some time. Like you have done it, after a couple of hours, try to do it again, and just 1 to 2 times. I think that is more than enough without watching the tutorial. If you're able to do that, you learned it, buddy. That's it, boy. That's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys again soon. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe it and hit that bell icon. Bye bye.